I'm just hesitating a lot. What the hell, yeah, what I'm speaking? You all are. They are just laughing at myself, but I don't care about them. I can't make my own video. I can't record myself while speaking something in front of camera. I have self-doubt. What people will say about me if I'll speak something wrong, if I'll do something wrong. These kind of things was happening with me, my friend. Listen, a couple of months ago, I was telling these kind of things to myself when I was struggling for speaking this language, when I was trying to make videos, when I was trying to upload my videos on YouTube like other person, like they do, okay? And today, I can't say, and I'm not that kind of person anymore. And I don't have that type of mentality, whatever I had at that time when I was thinking and when I was just like regretting on myself why I'm unable to do those kind of things, why I'm unable to speak even properly. Listen, this story is about my journey, my friend. This story is about before I started my English speaking journey. At the time, I could not even speak in Hindi language as well. I could not even talk with any strangers in Hindi language. Even sometimes I was struggling a lot while talking with my teachers as well, while talking in Hindi language, because at the time I had no confidence. At the time I was just like only doubting on myself again and again. Okay, when I was like before going to speak anything, before going to answer any question, whatever teacher was just like asking me in that class, I could not even speak properly. I had that answer about that question and I could speak better, but that fear was different. And nowadays I realized that why I was not speaking. That was not hard as much I thought about that. Nowadays I have, and today I have confidence like that. I can speak anytime, I can speak anywhere, I can speak with anybody in this language. It is only because of my confidence. And here you always ask me like what is the benefits for learning English language. Here it is, my friend. Today you can see a huge difference in myself. Today, because of English language, today I can speak in front of anybody. Today I can have conversation with any strangers. Today I can make my own videos without thinking too much. Today I can upload my videos on social media. Why and how it is possible and how I have become like this? It is only because of English language, my friend. I did hard work behind that, and you can't see how I was dedicated for learning this language. You can't see. You can only see a result. Today I'm able to speak, and today I'm just talking and I'm just sharing my experience with you all. But you might think like this: how I'm speaking and what I did in my journey for learning this language. In one sentences, I would say how I learned this language. Listen, I just devoted myself towards English language for learning this language. This is what I did in my journey, and there was nothing special thing for me to learn this language. And here I would say to you all, if you also don't have confidence for speaking, for expressing yourself, if you can't speak with any person, if you can't express your thoughts, your experience with anybody, then you should try to learn that, my friend, because without it, it is all listen, whatever I'm talking about, it is all in communication skills, like how you are communicating. If you have a lot of knowledge about any particular sector, about anything else, but if you can't speak, if you can't share those things with anybody, and you can't even teach anybody who's looking for that, then what do you need to have those knowledge? Why? And what you'll do with that if you are unable to speak those things, if you are unable to describe those things in front of public? How you'll handle? This is why I learned it. This is why, and these kind of things were just happening with me at that time. Because of that, I thought that I have to learn this language. Otherwise, I'm not gonna achieve those things whatever I want to achieve. And this is all my starting point of my career. Okay, my friend. Most of the people always say, and you always listen with everybody, like what you'll do if once you will start speaking, and if once you will like learn this language, then what you'll do with this language. What, this is not our national language. I know very well, my friend. I'm not disrespecting our national language, okay? I have respect for that, but this is not only just a language. It's a skill, my friend, and it can open a lot of opportunities in your life if once you learn this language. Okay, what you are doing here. And most of the people always like they study for what, for doing job. After completing their study, they will definitely go for like interview for job, and there is no interviews which is going on in Hindi language. You have to face English language at least once in your life if you are about to like do any job. You'll have to give, and you'll have to attend, and you'll have to face that situation where interviewer will ask you in English language everything. Then what you will do if you are unable to like speak, if you can't speak, and if you are not like aware this time for learning English language, then what you'll do? Just think about that at least. I'm not here just insisting to you all. I'm just trying to make you all aware for that, so that you can all also understand about this. Okay, how can I express with this what I was about to say? Listen, my friend, like today I have confidence. How? And you might think like how I'm speaking like this, and some people will not like accept, some people will not be satisfied with my things, whatever I'm talking about, but it doesn't matter, and I don't care about them. Here I'm just like talking about my experience. Here I'm just talking about my all the thoughts and all the things. Okay, I'm not here for like entertaining you all. I'm just here to and I don't want you to do the same mistakes whatever I did in my journey. Okay, you have to be aware before you going to face that situation in your life. Okay, so just be ready for that, and just try to learn this, and just try to work on yourself, because this is one of the most important thing in today's time. Work on yourself as much as possible for you. This is most precious thing for us. Okay, to develop yourself. Whatever you can do for yourself, just do it without thinking too much, without thinking those people who's going to make fun of you. And they will definitely do, they will definitely speak something about you. If you'll do the right things, they will definitely speak. If you'll do the wrong thing, they will definitely speak. They are standing in every situations in front of you. Whatever you'll do, they will interrupt you. And if once you will start caring and about them, then you won't be able to do something in your life. You won't be able to change yourself. You won't be able to think about that, like how dangerous is this, caring about people, what they think. And I'm hoping for that, guys. You have got all the things from me, like whatever I wanted to share with you all. So guys, this is all about this. And what's your opinion about this thing, my friend? Whatever I have talked about in this video, what do you think about this? Just let me know about that. Here is the comment box, and just like type your suggestions in that, and after that I'll see how it was. And after this, like listen, I'm just making this video randomly, and after this I'm about to see whatever I spoke in this video. Okay, and after that I'll say without doing anything else, without doing any changes, I'll upload this video randomly. And I don't have any script for that. Listen, before going to like listen, a few minutes ago I was about to sleep, and then after I thought that what I'm going to do, it will not be a good thing for me. Instead of sleeping, instead of wasting my time, instead of lying on bed, I can do a lot of things. And then after I thought that I have to make video, and I should make videos. Because of that, I quickly rush for that, and I just like collect all the equipment for that, for making this video. And now I have come on my roof, and I'm just making this video without thinking too much about people. Like everybody here is, a lot of people are just like staring to me, like what the hell he is doing, and they are just laughing at myself. But I don't care about them. Like they are still there watching me. If I had those kind of fears, then I wouldn't be here, and I wouldn't making video in front of them. So guys, this is all. think about that, and I hope you all are well, and you all are, how can I say, what you all are mature person, okay, and you can understand all the things from me. Like, I'm just hesitating a lot. What the hell, yeah, what I'm speaking. Okay, so just sorry for that, guys. I was just kidding. Okay, so this is all for today's video, guys, and take care, guys. Bye bye, have a good day for you all, and we will meet in another video. So for that, take care.